Hello viewers, let's discuss tips for saving for a down payment on a house. Saving for a down payment on a house can be a significant financial goal requiring careful planning and discipline. Here are some tips to help you save for a down payment. 1. Set a savings goal. Determine the amount you need to save for your down payment based on the purchase price of the home, and the percentage required by lenders, typically 3% to 20% of the purchase price. 2. Create a budget. Develop a budget to track your income and expenses. Identify areas where you can cut back on discretionary spending and allocate more funds towards your down payment savings. 3. Automate savings. Set up automatic transfers from your checking account to a dedicated savings account for your down payment. Automating savings ensures consistency and helps you avoid the temptation to spend the money elsewhere. 4. Reduce debt. Pay down high-interest debt such as credit card balances and personal loans. Lowering your debt-to-income ratio can improve your credit score and increase your chances of qualifying for a mortgage with favorable terms. 5. Increase income. Explore opportunities to increase your income, such as taking on a part-time job, freelancing, or starting a side business. Allocate additional earnings directly towards your down payment savings. 6. Cut expenses. Identify non-essential expenses that you can reduce or eliminate to free up more money for savings. Consider cutting back on dining out, entertainment, subscriptions, and unnecessary purchases. 7. Save windfalls. Put any unexpected windfalls, such as tax refunds, bonuses, or gifts, towards your down payment savings rather than spending them frivolously. 8. Explore down payment assistance programs. Research down payment assistance programs offered by federal, state, or local government agencies, nonprofit organizations, or lenders. These programs provide grants, loans, or other assistance to help eligible homebuyers cover their down payment and closing costs. 9. Invest wisely. Consider investing your down payment savings in low-risk, interest-bearing accounts or investment vehicles such as certificates of deposit, CDs, or high-yield savings accounts. Avoid high-risk investments that could jeopardize your savings. 10. Downsize or rent. Consider downsizing your current living situation or renting a more affordable property to reduce housing expenses and accelerate your down payment savings. By following these tips and staying committed to your savings plan, you can successfully save for a down payment and achieve your goal of homeownership.